Welcome back to video classes. Arithmetic progressions. You know the basic concepts. What is the first term? What is the common difference? And the nth term formula and the general form. Everything you know. Now, here already this sum I explained which term of the AP in the last video. I explained the same sum. Once again I am explaining. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? What is the meaning? Here, this is first term, this is second term, this is third term. Suppose you see 3, 8, 13, 18 and somewhere it is 78. Which term of the AP, which term of the AP is 78? In this AP, 78 is which term? The term number. This is first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is 4, 5, 6, like that. This 78 is which term? This 78 is which term? So, the term number. Here, A is equal to 3, D is equal to 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. This 78 is nothing but Tn. Tn is equal to 78. What is nth term formula? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. 1 into D. Tn is equal to 78. A 3. N required number. N minus 1 into D for 5. That is 78 is equal to 3 plus distributive property 5 into n 5n minus 1 into 5. That implies 78 is equal to plus 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 plus 5n. That implies 78 minus 2 will be transposed from RHS to LHS plus 2 is equal to 5n. Here 5n is equal to 80. 5n is equal to 80. 5n is equal to 80. n is equal to 80 by 5. That n is equal to 16. n is equal to 16. Therefore, 78 is 16th term. The term is nothing but 78. First term, second term, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like that. This is a 16th term. The 78 is 16th term. This is 16th term. 16th term. This is the very important. Already explained in the last video. So, which term of the AP is 78? 16th term of this particular AP is 78. In this particular AP, 16th term is 78. Here one more sum. Question number 2. Which term of the AP is given and the like previous sum here one number is there. Instead of this condition one number is there, that will be very easy. Now this one also very easy. So first of all, same like previous sum, which term of the AP? Which term of the AP? 3, 15, 27, 13, and so on, and one number should be there. Instead of that, your condition, what is the condition? Will be 132 more than. Will be 132 more than its 54th term. Its 54th term. So, first of all, 132 more than 54th term, I can write T54. So, 132 more than its 54th term. 132 more than its 54th term. So, 132 plus T54. What is the formula for T54? T54 formula A plus 53D. A plus 53D. This formula is from A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn formula A plus 1 and A plus n minus 1 into D. T54 formula A plus 54 minus 1 into D, that is nothing but A plus 53D. Understand? Now, here This is nothing but okay, 132. In this, what is a? In this, a is equal to 3. A is equal to 3 plus 53, 53 only, into d. Into d, d will be 15 minus 3 is equal to 12. D will be 12. So 132 plus 3 plus, first of all, as per Bodmas rule, we have to simplify this one. 53 into 12, 636. 636 is equal to 132 plus 639. 636 plus 3, 639 is equal to 771. If you add these two, 771. Now, my question is, just I am changing which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39, so on is 771. Like previous sum. What sum I explained today, the same model. Just I converted this English statement into a mathematical number. What is the English statement? 132 more than its 54th term. That is nothing but 771. Just I converted like previous sum. Now, this is nothing but, this Tn is 771 is nothing but Tn. This 771 is nothing but Tn. This is the Tn. So, here A is equal to 3, D is equal to 12, Tn is equal to 771. Now, formula, nth term formula, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn 771 is equal to A for 3 plus D for, okay, D is a chuchu, okay, n. Which term? This is first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, like that. 771 is which term? 771 is which term? So, n for n only, required number, n minus 1 into d for 12. That implies 771 is equal to 3 plus distributive property 12n minus 12. 12n minus 12. That implies 771 is equal to 3 minus 12. 3 minus 12 is equal to minus 9 plus 12n. Minus 9 plus 12n is equal to 771 is equal to minus 9 will be transposed to that side, plus 9. 771 plus 9 is equal to 12n. That is nothing but 780 is equal to 12n. 780 is equal to 12n. That is 12n is equal to 780. That implies n is equal to 780 by 12. That implies n is equal to 65. N is equal to 65. Therefore, this 771 is a 65th term. Therefore, 65th term is 65th term is 771. 65th term is 771. Otherwise, we can say 65th term is 132 more than its 54th term. You can say 65th term is 132 more than its 54th term. Its 54th term. 54th term. Both are same. 65th term is first term 3, second term 15, third term 27, fourth term 39. Like that, 65th term is 771. Otherwise, 65th term is 132 more than its 54th term. 132. If you want, you can check. If you want, you can verify this. 65th term is 132 more than its 54th term. 54th term. Here one more sum. Third question. Find the number of terms in each of the following AP. Here one more AP is there. First AP 7, 13, 19, 205. Here number of terms. Number of terms is nothing but suppose n. Number of terms is equal to n. So 1, 2, 3 like that, 2 up to 205. How many terms are there? How many terms? Number of terms. So here for this also we are using the same formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is equal to 7. D is equal to 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. Tn is equal to 205. Tn is equal to 205. So here substitute n means number of terms. N means number of terms. Tn, that implies Tn for 205. 205 is equal to a for 7 plus n for n only minus 1 d for 6. That implies 205 is equal to 7 plus distributive property 6n minus 6. 6n minus 6. Here 205 is equal to 7 plus 7 minus 6. This is plus 7, no. Plus 7 minus is 1 plus 6n. That implies 205 minus 1 transposing is equal to 6n. That implies 204 is equal to 6n. 204 is equal to 6n. That implies 6n is equal to 204. 6n is equal to 204. 6n means 6 into n is equal to 204 by 6. n is equal to 34. n is equal to 34. Therefore, how many terms? Find the number of terms. Total 34 terms in the AP. In this AP, total 34 terms. How many? Find the number of terms. 34 terms. In the particular AP, 34 terms. 1, 2, 3 like that up to 205. 1, 2, 3 up to 205. There are 34 terms. Okay. Okay. Same model like previous sum. Find the number of terms. Let the number of terms is equal to n. Find the number of terms in the given AP. Number of terms. How many terms are there in this AP? 1, 2, 3 like that up to minus 47. How many terms are there? So in this AP, again for this also we are using the same formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Tn. First a is equal to 18. Tn is equal to minus 47. D will be, D is, it is actually this question is given in CBC 2015. It is HL, higher order thinking skills HOTS. So D means T2 minus T1. T2 means 15 1 by 2. It is a mixed fraction minus 18. So 15 1 by 2 is nothing but 15 2s are 30, 31 by 2 minus 18. You can take LCM, otherwise you know the shortcut method. 31 minus 18 2s are 36 by 2 is equal to minus 5 by 2. This minus 5 by 2 is nothing but D. We are having A value and we are having Tn value, we are having D value. So now substitute. N is required. N is nothing but number of terms. Substitute. What is Tn? Tn is nothing but minus 47. A for 18 plus n for n only minus 1. D for minus 5 by 2. D for minus 5 by 2. D for minus 5 by 2. Carefully you check. This is a separate part. D for minus 5 by 2. So, minus 47 minus 18 transpose from RHS to LHS is equal to, this we can multiply. This we can multiply distributive property. What is that? N into 5 by 2. N into minus 5 by 2. If you multiply like a normal fraction, this is nothing but 5n by 2. Minus 5n by 2. Minus 5n by 2. Minus 5n by 2. So, this is nothing but minus 5n by 2. Minus 5n by 2. Next, this into this. Minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. Minus 1 into 5 by 2. Minus into minus plus 5 by 2. Plus 5 by 2. Understand? So, now this is nothing but minus 65 is equal to like fractions. Like fractions. That's why easily we can write that minus 5n plus 5 minus 5n plus 5 by 2. That implies transposing. By 2 will be transposed from RHS to LHS into 2. So, minus 65 into 2 is equal to 5 minus 5n. 5 minus 5n. So, that implies minus 130 is equal to 5 minus 5n. Minus 130 is equal to 5 minus 5n. Minus 130, this plus 5 will be transposed from RHS to LHS. That will be minus 5 is equal to minus 5n only. Now, here we can write minus 130 minus 130 minus 5 minus 135 is equal to minus 5n. Minus 135 is equal to minus 5n. Remove the minus. If you want, you can cancel. Instead of cancellation, there is nothing but multiply with minus 1 on both sides or divides with minus 1 on both sides. 5n is equal to 135. 5n is equal to 135. So, that implies n is equal to 135 by 5. That implies n is equal to 27. N is equal to 27. Therefore, how many terms are there? There are 27 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to minus 47. There are 27 terms are there in the AP, given AP, 27 terms. Okay. This is the given assignment. This full assignment is based on general term, nth term. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here, total 8 sums are there. If this writing is not visible, so the sums are from BK Sony, page number 5.18 and 5.19. First question 3, 4, 5. Second question 1, 2. Sorry, ninth question 1, 2. 10th question 1, 2, 3. Total 8 sums. All of you solve those sums and send to your class teacher. Okay. Thank you very much.